In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add elements and create a split screen effect in Filmora X. In Filmora X, adding elements and creating a split screen effect is simple and user-friendly. To add elements, first drag and drop your video onto the timeline, then go to the Elements tab at the top. Here, you'll find a variety of animated graphics and motion elements. Choose the one you like and drag it onto the timeline where you want it to appear. Customization options are limited. You can only adjust the size and position. After you're done, you can clear the timeline. To create a split screen effect, click on the Split Screen tab at the top. Filmora X provides various templates that let you show two videos at the same time. Drag a split screen template onto the timeline, then drag and drop your video clips into the designated areas shown in the preview window. You can reposition or scale each video as needed. Once you're satisfied with the layout, preview your video. This feature helps you create dynamic and engaging content without needing advanced editing skills.